Yes. Hi, Neha Joy. Nice to meet you.
No, Joy, did you
Neha,
say?
yes.
That was it.
Oh, thank you. You look gorgeous.
Thank you so much. It takes a village, as they say.
You got to show up because it's a big premiere. You got to show up and show out. So I love it. I love it.
We're all so proud of this movie. We had a lot of fun making it, and all we're asking for the audience to take this fun home with them, because it's gory, it's bloody, but it's hilarious. Yeah.
And I heard it's a mix of horror and humor. So how does this film sort of find that balance?
Chris McKay, our amazing director. You will see when you watch it. You will see that how he has managed to keep the balance between horror, comedy, drama. It's just incredible, and a feast of colors on the screen. Beautiful.
Finally, I wanted to ask, what do you think makes Nicolas Cage the perfect Dracula and Nicholas Hoult the perfect Renfield?
Both actors wanted to play these roles. It makes a hell of a difference for us actors when we want to play the role, not just because we've been offered the role. What I heard was that Nicolas Cage, he always wanted to play this role, and the moment he came on the set, I could have told everyone and anyone that he is in his elements because he loved this character, and so did Nicholas Hoult. Immediately, he turned into Renfield, and when they do that, because acting is all about interacting and not necessarily just acting on your own. The moment they do that, they make it easier for everyone else in this acting with them to have that interaction and to tell the story together.